Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting a glimpse into the future with the stunning 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't your average supercar, it's a technological marvel that redefines what a Lamborghini can be. The Temeraio's design is nothing short of breathtaking. Lamborghini's signature aggressive lines are taken to a whole new level, creating a futuristic silhouette that screams performance. The scissor doors, a Lamborghini hallmark, remain, but with an even more dramatic flair. But the Temerario isn't just about looks. Lamborghini has incorporated some truly innovative features into the design. The car's skin is actually made of a self-healing material that can repair minor scratches on its own. Imagine never having to worry about a door ding again. The Temerario isn't just about show, it goes like a bat out of hell too. Lamborghini is tight-lipped about the exact specifications, but rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain that combines a next-generation V12 engine with electric motors. This could potentially put out over 1,000 horsepower, making the Temerario one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever built. The electric motors are said to be powered by a supercapacitor instead of traditional batteries. Supercapacitors offer much faster charging times and can deliver bursts of power, perfect for that instant Lamborghini acceleration rush. Interior. The interior of the Temerario is as futuristic as the exterior. The traditional instrument cluster is replaced by a holographic display that can be customized to the driver's preferences. Imagine having all the information you need right in your line of sight, without ever taking your eyes off the road. Lamborghini has also incorporated AI technology into the car. The Temerario can learn your driving habits and preferences, and even suggest routes or adjust the car's settings for optimal performance. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a car, it's a rolling showcase of cutting-edge technology. From its self-healing skin to its supercapacitor-powered hybrid drivetrain, the Temerario pushes the boundaries of what's possible. While the Temerario is still a concept car, it gives us a tantalizing glimpse into the future of Lamborghini. And let's be honest, that future looks incredible. So, what do you guys think of the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario? Is it the future of supercars, or a bit too far out there? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome car content.